Rainbows are one of nature's most beautiful mysteries. They appear when sunlight and raindrops work together in a special way. But what exactly is happening in the sky when a rainbow forms? Let's explore the science behind the colors. Have you ever looked up after a rainy day and spotted a beautiful rainbow stretching across the sky? Rainbows might seem magical, but they're actually created by science. So, what makes a rainbow? It all starts with sunlight. Even though sunlight looks white, it's actually made up of many different colors mixed together. When sunlight shines through tiny raindrops floating in the air, something amazing happens. The raindrops act like tiny prisms. First, the sunlight enters the raindrop and slows down. As it slows, the light bends. Scientists call this refraction. Then, the light bounces off the inside of the raindrop. As the light leaves the raindrop, it bends again. This bending and bouncing separate the white sunlight into all its different colors. And that's how we see a rainbow. The colors always appear in the same order: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. You can remember them by using the name Roy G. Biv. But did you know that to see a rainbow, the sun needs to be behind you while the rain is in front of you? That's why rainbows often appear when the sun comes out right after it rains. Here's another fun fact. No two people see exactly the same rainbow, because everyone stands in a slightly different place. The rainbow you see is unique to you. So the next time you spot a rainbow in the sky, remember, it's not magic. It's sunlight, raindrops, and a little bit of amazing science working together to paint the sky with color. Keep looking up and keep wondering about the world around you, because science is everywhere.
From one teacher to another and to parents learning at home, thank you so much for watching. If this helped your classroom or your home learning, please support my channel by subscribing.